Step-by-step guide to CRAR. Commercial Rent Arrears Recovery, CRAR, is a law that came into force in 2014 that allows for the accelerated recovery of rent for commercial landlords without the involvement of court proceedings. CRAR allows landlords to recover outstanding rent from a commercial tenant by seizing, removing, and selling goods. Note, CRAR cannot be used for the recovery of rent arrears if the lease is for residential or mixed-use premises. The rent arrears cannot be calculated with complete accuracy and certainty. Stage 1, the compliance stage. We send the tenant a formal notice of enforcement, giving 7 clear days in which to pay the outstanding rent, together with charges payable under the CRAR regulations. Stage 2, taking control of goods. If the tenant does not pay after the expiry of this notice, our enforcement agents will visit the tenant at the address where the rent is due. At all times, our enforcement agents will aim to take payment in full from the tenant on the first visit. Unless payment is made by cleared funds, the enforcement agents will, where possible, look to take control of the tenant's goods and enter into a controlled goods agreement, previously known as a walking possession agreement. A detailed inventory is taken of the goods that have taken into control within the curtilage area of the lease, usually inside the building. Dependent upon the lease, this can also include car parking spaces or compound storage. Stage 3. Removal and sale of goods. Where the tenant does not make payment or default on an arrangement, we would request the landlord's approval to return to the premises and remove the goods. Where this action is required, we will arrange the removal and sale of goods.